Yes, good morning, everybody. I hope you're having a Merry Christmas. So today I'd like us to start off with a chart on my screen. This is GBPUSD. We'll be using the indicator which you see I have on my screen. This is just the normal support and resistance indicator. I picked it somewhere online. You can't just go online, you'll be able to find it. So on this chart, technically, we do have a very good support zone around this area. Here we have a verified support here. So it runs from this point here, this point, and then you have a verified resistance at this point here and this one. So in between is the zone we are referring to. And then we have another verified resistance zone, this and this one. So if the price moves up, if the price continues higher, then the best place we want to get out from is actually around this point here. If you bought it while the price was here, you may want to hold on to that position. Expect price to continue up to this zone here. So we'll see price continue up to this level, break beyond it, and then continue higher up to this point here. The next symbol which I want us to have a look at is EURUSD. So we still have just the indicator which you have on our screen. So on the far chart, we have a very good resistance zone. It's actually a verified resistance zone. We have it here. So if the price, as long as the price does not clearly break beyond this zone here, this should act as a good place to look for a sell from. And in case the price continues down, then this should act as a good place to buy from. So we are buying from somewhere around this area and selling from somewhere around this area here. So if you buy it, expect a you sell it here, you buy it from the bottom. So you sell it at the top and then you buy it at the bottom. My next symbol is the US dollar Japanese yen. So with the US dollar Japanese yen, so far the major area which I see here is the untested resistance zone, this one here. So this is the place where the price needs to come back up to. If the price can pull back up to somewhere around this area here, then this will give us the ideal place to look for a sell from. You're not going to sell anywhere unless the price touches this area here. So if you bought it with us previously, you should hold on to that position. Expect buyers to continue pushing price upwards, at least up to this area here. The other symbol which I want us to look at is gold. So on gold, so far, the red zones, these are the key areas. We have a very good verified resistance zone here. We have the bottom of it and then the top of it. Then we have another verified resistance zone, the top, the bottom, and then the top of it. And then we have a verified support. We have the top of it and then the bottom of it. So the price, if the price bounces off from this point here, this should act as a good place to look for a sell from, at least up to somewhere around this area here. And in case the price breaks beyond this zone here, then that would mean we are now continuing to the upper side, at least up to somewhere within this area, that one line we have at the top. My next symbol is the Brent oil. So the Brent oil, so far, we also do have a very good resistance zone. You can see it, it's actually outstanding. We have a resistance zone here. There's a resistance here. We have a supportive zone. This one here. And then this one here. So as long as the price does not clearly ascend and close below this area, this zone here, the zone which I've just drawn, this proven support here, this should act as a good place to look for a buy from, at least up to the line which you have at the very top. So if you're on this chart as you're speaking now, you should keep looking for buy positions. Expect those buys to push us at least up to this zone here. So in case the price ascends beyond this area, then that would mean you're now continuing to the upper side. The next symbol is the SP500. With the SP500 so far, I don't recommend any sell positions. If you see any sell order on this chart,